F250 Super Duty turbo diesel 6.7 liters, and it's a 4x4 truck. So what did I say? I love turbo diesel, and having a blast today. Been driving all the trucks, you know, a lifted truck, utility trucks, turbo diesel, all kind of trucks. From Ford, Chevy. It's just fun. Just having a good days, having a good day. Let's see. Ooh, look at that acceleration. Tires are a little noisy because yes, they are bigger wheel, bigger tire with like a lot of, like, you know, thick tire depth thread. So this is a heavy duty tires for off-roading stuff, for looks, most likely for looks than off-roading, but been having fun, guy. Love it. Testing out the suspension. Oh boy, it's taking it pretty good. Oh man. It's just super fun to drive trucks in general. I don't know what you say, but trucks are fun to drive, and easy to drive too, even though it's big. But the thing is, you get the advantage of visibility. You can see up front, and you can like pretty much view the whole front end. The mirrors are bigger and all kind of advantage that on the trucks. Alright, let's check out it. Oh man, it has so much torque, just pushing me back. Wow. That's why when you get a truck, you gotta get a diesel one. So you can haul a lot of stuff, you can pull heavy, way in the back, and lots of fun. It's huge to take up the whole freaking lane. Just love it. You know, there's nothing compared to diesel power, you know. They are torquey, high torque engine, you know, and you don't have to rev it to the moon to get that power. It's like 2,000 RPM and this thing start shooting like a rocket. When the turbo kicking in, it's just amazing. So pickup trucks, gotta get a diesel version. You gotta get a diesel one. lots of time diesel are more efficiency. You get better gas mileage too on diesel than similar gasoline engine. So, alright, check out acceleration. Second gear and the thing just pushing. Wow. If you never tried a diesel truck before, you gotta try it out when you have a chance to. Here we are, beautiful 2016 Ford F250 Super Duty. Turbo diesel. It just looks amazing, right? It's just lifted. Look at that suspension, bro. It's lifted. Nice aftermarket wheel. It just look. Get a side step, running board. Check out so much space in the back here too. Whew. And welcome to the driver's seat again. The turbo kicking in sounds, whew, it's just music to the ear. Alright, it was an amazing ride in this another diesel truck. So thank you for coming with me. Hope that you guys enjoy, have a good time checking out these turbo diesel. If you got a chance to, you know, gotta drive it, gotta feel the power of the diesel, you know, so much torque, so much fun to drive. Alright, thank you for coming, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time to see what I'm gonna get next. You know, just enjoying my day, having a good time driving trucks. Alright, see ya.